So this is the old flashlight and this is the new one. This one is also telescoping. The smaller flashlight, the older one, and that's brighter. And this is the new one. And you can even telescope it all the way like that. So you can actually see the difference. The yellow one being the old flashlight and the bright white one being the new one. So this is the coverage for the old flashlight. And this is the room coverage for the new one. And you can kind of see the definition. So this is the coverage of the old flashlight. And this is the new one. And the distance, if you look at the top of the garage, it just barely lights it up. And the new one, if you zoom in, I mean, you can go pretty far. And this is what it looks like all the way zoomed in. And you could really have a huge circle. One last thing. Here's the beam from the old one, and the beam from the new one. So I'll put them side by side, and you can tell one is definitely brighter. I mean, you can even, if you zoom out, you have quite a bit of coverage.